Nathan had loved farming. Nathan loves animals. Nathan loves taking care of animals. When the opportunity came to farm, we thought this is a lifestyle we want for our children.
It's been a great experience. Learning how to care for the birds, being gentle, what to watch for, the feed and the water, the air quality. Yeah, the kids are picking up on that so fast. The animal care program in Canada is fantastic. Number one, I think it unifies all of us Canadian producers under the same standard. It makes us very purposeful. We're audited by a third-party auditor, and with that, we have a consistent management practice throughout the producer group. There's about 2,800 producers in Canada, and we're privileged to be one of them. It's all very recorded and regulated, and it's just become the way of life for us, and we enjoy it, and it gives us confidence in what we do.
I think the chicken that we raise is healthy and the animals are so well taken care of. It is an excellent source of protein for our family.
What I enjoy most about farming is the variety of work that I do. I get to create something out from scratch, get to produce a product that other people can enjoy, whether it is the grain that I grow on my land or the chicken that we grow in our barns. I'm Andrew. I am a fifth-generation chicken and grain farmer in southeast Manitoba. I farm together with my wife Jen, my parents Ken and Geraldine, and my brother Joseph. I have 4 kids myself, and I think of other families that might not be able to provide for their children, and I can't imagine how it feels not to be able to feed them nutritious meals every single day. So the Caring for Communities program is facilitated by Manitoba Chicken Producers, and what they do is they dedicate a certain amount of chickens per cycle that we want to donate to the Caring for Communities program. Those get placed in our barn, they get processed by our local processor and shipped directly to Harvest Manitoba for distribution. I feel extremely proud that Manitoba Chicken Producers came up with this Caring for Communities program, that I get to be part of a larger giving community. I'm just a small part of it, but I got lots of local farmers, neighbors in our community that are also giving to this cause, and I'm proud that we can support Harvest Manitoba in this way.
My name is Kelvin. I farm with my wife Kayla and our 4 girls, as well as my parents, my mom and dad. We have a mixed farm in south central Manitoba, south of Winnipeg. Our part of chicken farming is quite unique compared to a lot of other chicken farms in Manitoba. We have hatching eggs that are produced by our chickens. We have hens and roosters in the barn. The hens lay eggs that are fertilized. They get shipped to a hatchery where they hatch into chicks. Those chicks then go to many other farms across Manitoba where they are raised into chickens for meat. We have the birds that are essentially the parents of the chickens that are raised for meat on our farm. Our birds are free run, and so they can run around in the barn, and as you can see, the hens and roosters are free to go wherever they want in the barn. I think on the environmental side of things, where we have animals in a barn like this, it is efficient from an emissions perspective, and we've seen major reductions in the greenhouse gas emissions from chicken production in Canada over the past number of decades. We take pride in taking care of them and making sure that all their needs are met and that they are comfortable in the barn.